Hey everybody, welcome back to Big Red EDC. Well, we've got another Boker knife, and well, this is actually the last one. And I guess what would be this round of the Boker train. Like I said, most of these recent ones, like these last 5 or 6, I got on SMKW's closeout sale. So that was just an opportunity to see some knives at a lower cost, which, that's never a bad thing. And I'll tell you right now, this guy, this is a Boker Magnum. It's not a Boker Plus. Something from the Magnum line. This is the MF-3. And normally, it was priced at like 35 bucks. I got it for 18. So, I mean, I had to take a look at it. 18 bucks, less than 20 bucks. Now, that doesn't qualify it for Big Red's bargain bin because it's a sale price. So, it's got to be regular price. But 18 bucks, it was a good opportunity to check out a Magnum knife. So, what do we have? What does the MF-3 give us? Well, we've got aluminum handles that are very, very well done. You've got this sort of geared-ish backspacer going on. No real lanyard hole. You do have a reversible clip, which is nice. Like I said, sorry, lanyard fans. You're going to have to put it on the clip if you really, really want to put one on there. But, for 18 bucks, I'm pretty stoked at the way this one turned out. I mean, even at 35, to be perfectly honest with you, regular price for the fit and finish is pretty darn good. Pocket clip's a little different. Not good or bad, different. At least not yet. We'll see. But overall, not too bad. Centering is pretty on point from the looks of it. It's hard to see with that backspacer. It very well might be off to the show side. If it is barely. It might be. It's hard to tell. There we go. That's better. I mean, it looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. So, overall, fit and finish, not too bad. Obviously, you can see you've got a flipper for deployment, and that's the next spot on it. That detent is really nice. Liner lock right there, but that detent is solid, and solid as in good. Not too hard, not too soft. Very, very nice. Now, it's not super drop shutty. You get that first drop. Shake it shut, though. Not bad. There's your drop. There's your shake. And it's pretty well good to go. Now, you've got a 440B blade. Now, we don't see, at least I don't see 440B a lot. If you see 440, it's usually 440A or 440C. 440B, I think, is just kind of that in between that not a whole lot of manufacturers use anymore. Now, this is an older model knife, for sure. That's why it's on closeout. So, SMKW is trying to get rid of the old stock, which I get. So, we just don't see a lot of 440B getting used anymore. Nice clip point blade. Got a nice swedge across there. You do got a nice ramp with jimping that actually locks me in pretty well. Not too bad at all. Got a decent feel in hand. You've got a decent choil going on there. So let's get out to our spec check. So overall, I mean, we're looking at basically a 7-inch knife. This is more of a 4 1/4. It's not quite a 4 3. 4 1/4 on the handle, 2 3/4 on the blade. You can see that your cutting edge does kind of extend back a little bit. And then your grip length coming in right about 3 inches. So it's about a 3.5 finger knife for me, as you can see there where my pinky is. So it does rest on there pretty well, though. So not too bad in the grip. So let's get our size comparisons going here. So let's see. There is the bug out. So bug out's got it on the blade by almost a 1/2 inch. Handles are really actually pretty close. So that means the PM2 is probably going to be, a decent bit bigger for sure. Get our pocket out here. See how it looks in the pocket. Not bad. Maybe just a tiny bit of peekaboo, just because of the angle of that handle. Pocket clip is decent. Not bad. You didn't have a super pop coming out, but it was okay. Enough retention, I trusted. And then we have a weight and 3.5, or right at 100 grams. That's usually where 3.5 is. So, what do we think overall of this Boker Magnum MF-3? So the fit and finish, overall build quality is actually pretty good. I will say this aluminum handle is kind of slick. You know, if you're a modder or something like that, you can maybe add some sort of texturing, but otherwise, I mean, you can see my thumb slides across it pretty good. So it is a little bit slick. Action-wise, so there for the fit and finish, okay. You know, it's good, but it is a little slick. The action, I'm not complaining about a bit. The detent is fantastic. Drop, little shake shut, and you're good to go. The big one, ergonomics for me. Now, this is where I kind of come into a little bit. You can see that you do have some jimping, and that is, of course, on your flipper tab, right there. And then you have some jimping on, there's your 440B, your liner lock. If I get there, it's a little rough up against the fingers right here. Little rough there. The other aspect is the clip. For the most part, it's pretty good. I am feeling it back here a little bit. I was actually concerned about this, you know, this the upswing of the pocket clip. That's really not an issue at all. Where I'm feeling it is actually back here, and actually maybe the fat of my hand is kind of like sinking down into, and this corner right here. I think I'm feeling that is what I'm feeling overall. So, you know, $35, not a bad price for this knife. As I said, you know, I've mentioned a few times, if I've had an issue with a Boker knife, it was usually something from the Magnum line. This one, not bad. Got a couple little quirks with the jimping up here, and you know, the access to the liner is okay. It's not great, but it's okay. Obviously, you can see I can operate it. Not the best, but at this closeout price of $18, it's pretty hard to complain about it, to be perfectly honest with you. Even at $35, okay, I might groan a little bit on a couple of things, but it's pretty hard. It's pretty hard to knock at that price. At the $18 price, yeah, it's solid. It's solid for that price. Absolutely, for sure. Now, like I said before, this is the kind of the last round. We'll see. Might take a little bit of break from Boker for a while. We'll maybe take a look at some other brands and see what they've got to offer. Or maybe get some of the newer Bokers. And I think that's what people maybe want to see, is some of the newer stuff, not the older stuff. But hey, just trying to find you a good deal when I can. So, greatly appreciate you watching. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Like, subscribe, leave me that comment. You know I love talking to you. Until next time, I'll talk to you later, guys. Bye-bye.